I remember, but I don't remember the name of it. What it was called.
You'll need to do in the bivouac. I mean, I won't like close it off on you guys.
We're here, but we're not in the bivouac.
Uh, like I did my preparation, so
Get some rest.
dang, what is that?
I was watching Spider-Man.
Which one?
I think the
Like
first
Sam
one.
Raimi?
Yeah, the first Spider-Man.
Oh wow.
The movie?
Toby Maguire, like all that.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't mean to do that. What am I doing? End up selling all my weapons under my own nose. That's
Alright, I'm good to go. Let me know when y'all are ready.
Okay, I'm ready.
Chris?
I am purchasing things. Okay, I'm ready. Ahmed, we need your thing to break. Or you could wait the 40 seconds. It doesn't matter really. It just whatever. Um Where'd my vehicle go? I didn't do a helicopter. Wait, did this like just give us a helicopter?
Probably.
I see one that's a little off ways.
Like a vehicle?
It's a helicopter.
Hold on, I'm going
Yeah,
to.
that's mine. What happened? There's a helicopter right there.
No, I don't want a helicopter.
Why I'm sitting in the middle, or
I'm sitting in the middle.
no?
I'm
I'm
sitting
sitting.
in the
It's
middle.
just you. It's whoever's
uh,
playing is sitting
yeah.
in the middle.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. It's kind of funny.
Really, I can't change it even though I wanted my truck that I love to be spawned, but apparently Ahmed wanted to spawn a helicopter.
Well, let's do it. Let's drive
Okay,
helicopter.
now I'll blow your helicopter up. Not even playing.
Let's drive what we have.
Okay, you don't get to experience the awesome truck.
The awesome truck.
Yeah.
That's what you called it?
No, it's like great. Like it can traverse mountains and like all that sort
Oh,
of
wow.
stuff. Adam knows.
Yeah, it's a nice. I don't think you want to get in a helicopter though.
What you doing? Seriously? Why is you did this to me?
I told you already what I was going to do.
Ah,
Did I not, Adam?
Yeah. Oh!
Oh, I'm coming back for you. I
alright.
can't get Ahmed, but I can get you.
Yeah. It wouldn't be saving while he was sitting in the truck for some reason.
There's enemies coming.
Yeah. Yeah, because I blew that up. You know, that's not a bad thing. I mean, it did spawn it near a road too, so. Drop down if you need. Okay.
Pretty much all darkness. More come in.
Get in the car.
Ahmed.
But
Get in the car.
try to kill them. That's not this. Again. What's going on with it's good. Can I able to get the truck right now?
You know what? I don't even care. I just wanted to blow up the helicopter. Okay. It's get out time.
Behind us. Drones. Wow, that's a lot of drones. Do you see that? Chris?
Yep. That is called a murmured, like, it's usually in, like, murmur zones and stuff. They're past you. They were going the other way. Yeah. Just in case y'all were still down and trying to,
Let's try to get that truck you say. The awesome truck? That's what you called it?
we're not going. We have to cross this body of water before we can get it. Because it doesn't go through water. This is a little hard to control.
You got the drone?
There I go.
Alright. Where is this? Like, is it literally on that island?
Yeah, it's in the middle of the water, the island.
Yeah, that's stupid. Okay. Guys, come over here because there's actually a boat over here.
Right behind you. You gotta swim? Are you serious? I don't know even how to swim.
What side of the shore are you guys on?
The opposite side from you.
Don't hit me. Don't run me over. Stop.
Come on. Get on. You don't have to, like, get in, like, by the thing. You just hop on. Because it'll just...
Put it in the freezer.
Like, this is nothing.
Nothing here. You got clay?
There's a lady over here.
Leave her alone.
Get back! I'm not afraid to kill you.
Calm down now.
You better be afraid to kill me. I'm a ghost. No!
From these people anymore. Someone has
Don't
to
shoot
stop
her.
And that someone is me. These people are dangerous. Leave this to a professional.
They are dangerous.
I don't know what I'm doing anyway, but you
Yuppie, 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 boys.
Any idea where to find her?
We are going to kill her.
knew it. So she took her time. That's sick.
Oh
She
no.
went back to her camp. It's northwest.
We're going to kill
That's
Rosebud.
resupply, but she'll be back soon. You can count on that.
And I'll be waiting for her.
No, just
My friend. The two of you head to Air 1. We'll be safe there.
What are you going to do?
You can finish this. Appreciate it. Bye.
Rosebud's hideout is somewhere on
don't go. It's
the
stuck.
Wild Coast.
You see?
You're stuck?
Hold on.
Is he stuck?
Refill your water, bro. Know how to do this?
Huh?
Hold on. I'm good. Hold
You
on.
know how to refill your water, Chris?
Your canteen?
Yeah, you can see.
I don't know.
Yeah, just go inside the water and then you're gonna press. Just see, I'm gonna show you how. See that? Like that. Come to it.
Sorry, water's very hard to drive in.
Let me drive there. Just kidding.
Just kidding? Watch out, there might be a sniper up there or something. And there is one.
What the heck?
Oh wow.
We are going directly into,
War zone.
yep. Okay. Got sniper out of the first tower.
Yeah.
Jeez.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Shoot.
I got myself.
They're everywhere. There are a lot of snipers here.
He's down.
Yeah.
It was me. There were snipers
What just happened?
everywhere.
What the hell just happened?
They
both
flashbanged
down?
us and they killed us.
Alright, for when
That's
we
what
play the
happened,
Wolves
Ahmed.
next time, let's drone everything up before we just charge it.
Well, like, I didn't realize that was that close to us. Like, usually there's like a little bit more distance, you know?
That's never right there. So
Yeah, I see him. He's leading me up. Hold on. I gotta heal myself.
Watch out, watch out. There's
Oh,
a drone,
I'm
like,
done.
right behind
I'm
us.
done.
Shoot, like, he's right there.
Oh my gosh.
And then there's a shotgunner or
drone
whatever.
behind you.
Alright, let's, we won't be able to drone this one out because all those people are already revealed since we've died.
Yeah.
So we can just start up
Pick him off.
from pick them off.
Let's pick him up.
Again, I just have loud weapons. I can't.
Switch it.
I would if I had. I don't know. I mean, I can do my You know, suppressors give you minuses, right? Decreases your like accuracy and stuff.
Oh, wow, what is that? With this drone.
I forgot one sniper.
Yeah, but okay, the target is right there. Let's just take him out. What? Where's the target at? I got him.
I don't know. Every time I stand up, somebody keeps
I wasted a sync drone on that guy.
protecting.
Like, let me shoot so that I can take out multiple people with it.
One's on the top of the mountain.
Yeah.
Like, I even have that. I have the guy that.
Where's that drone at?
I don't know.
The side. Right side.
We need to take it out wherever it is.
So,
I got you.
There's one falling back. Here, you, he's right up on us.
There's this drone here.
I thought he rolled up.
Oh, serious.
Oh, he's like. Ah.